That's a cool trade, Pablo. I like it.
Thank
I
you.
like it. Good idea.
So, something nice and actionable
Yeah.
for the folks today in the room. Here's another one from that first page, Jonathan, that I've heard you talk about this one before. SRNE.
Oh yeah, I've traded that plenty.
What I'm looking at is, I pulled up the option chain, the March option chain with 58 days left. I went all the way out of the money. The stock is trading at $10.14. The 30 strike calls, 20 points out of the money, are a penny wide, and they're trading 29-cent bid, 30-cent offered. Insane.
Yeah, but with that being said, you could buy 10 of these for $300 and you're long 1,000 shares from 30, or, right? I mean, you can buy for $430.
I wasn't saying to buy the 30s. I was just looking at the fact that wow, the furthest out of the money is a penny wide, and it's active. That's what caught my attention.
You know, when you see a name like this that has, it's pretty flat, right? I mean, and when you say flat, this is how they're pricing the upside. This is a good candidate, and long-term members probably know what I'm going to say. Awesome vertical call spreads. 110s against the 30 cents, guys. You could do them for 80 cents. It's $800, and we're trying to make 14,200. And that's the way. So Pablo, whenever I see juice that far out, great. I want to fucking sell it and then get me long. And you know, these are not as far away as you think, because there's a significant bid, there's volume, the market is pricing in an 11% chance that this gets in the money within 58 days. Okay, so call an 11% chance like 10 to 1 or 9 to 1. But
are you getting that from the delta or from what?
From the delta.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So this delta, you know, and the math almost works out perfectly. 11% chance to be in the money. And does it have a real 11% chance? Who knows? But the market is pricing in an 11% probability that SRNE will be above 30 by expiration. Okay? So if it's 11%, I look at that 9 to 1, 10 to 1, something like that, right? If you just do the odds.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. So if that's 10 to 1, if I do the 15s and the 30s and do that trade, well, I'm putting on $800 of risk to try to make 14,200. This is paying me off like 14 to 1, which is trading this at a 14-15 delta. That's edge.
This is huge edge, enormous
edge. It's probabilistic thinking when you could start doing stuff like that, because it's like a blackjack table at a casino. Guys, a blackjack table at a casino, if it can run at 55%, how long do you think they're going to want to run that table for? 8 million years, as long as they possibly can, forever. So if we're in a position where we find that we can, you know, steal some edge like that, that's a good trade. And to add, we see it on the wiretapper. I like this one. And you know what though? The way that I would look at this, guys, is if I would look at this as an $800 bet, or you do a 5-lot as a $400 bet. Either you're gonna make money or you lose $400. You're not gonna lose $200. You don't stop yourself out. It's a binary bet that you make that's 58 days away, and you decide, okay, I'm comfortable risking X for the possibility of 14X. Okay, Sorrento is presenting at the JP Morgan Biotech Conference January 14th, which is in the past. Sorrento making progress with the FDA. Either way, I mean, there's news coming out. There's definitely, this thing is priced that it's got the potential to significantly move. That's a cool trade, Pablo. I like it.
Thank
I
you.
like it. Good idea.
So, something nice and actionable
Yeah.
for the folks today in the room.